Oh yeah, how to attract the zoo animal. Crap, let me get out of my shadow. Alright. Oh yeah, you want my thumb, don't you? Oh yeah, follow the thumb. Aha. Oh, my thumb is right there. Ooh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Yeah, it does work. Since I've done it to him multiple times already. I haven't tried out these goats yet. So let's try it out. Here, let me get out of my shadow so you guys can see better. Hold up. Alright, sorry if my shadow's in the way. Oh. Hello? Oh. Crap, come on. Oh yeah, you want it. Alright, he's in nap time right now. Holy shit. Alright, let me go to the donkey quick.
What's the matter, buddy?
Oh yeah, this is how you attract a donkey. Oh yeah. See, this does work. Just wiggle your thumb, put it in between your two fingers, and just wiggle it. Alright, let's go back. Yep, that's how you attract a donkey. Yep. Oh yeah, keep on going. Alright, yeah, so that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.